Barn owls exhibit fascinating behavior and psychological traits that are finely tuned for survival in a nocturnal, predatory lifestyle. These birds are largely solitary and territorial, spending most of their lives alone except during breeding season. As nocturnal hunters, barn owls rely heavily on their acute sense of hearing and vision to detect and capture prey in total darkness. Their distinctive heart-shaped facial disc functions as a sound amplifier, funneling noise toward asymmetrically placed ears that allow them to detect even the slightest movement of small animals, such as mice or voles, beneath layers of grass or snow. Their flight is nearly silent, thanks to specialized feather structures that reduce turbulence and noise, enabling them to stalk prey undetected. Barn owls are typically quiet, especially compared to other owl species, but they produce eerie screeches, hisses, and clicks during courtship, territorial disputes, or when alarmed. They are highly monogamous, forming strong pair bonds and often mating for life. During the breeding season, they display nurturing behavior, with both parents involved in feeding and protecting their young.